As you see me, I am a Nigerian man. Typical Nigerian guy. But I know everything that is happening all over the world. Even what is happening in Antananarivo. Do you know where that is? Oh, that's not what we are talking about today. As at now, I speak to you right now in Kumasi. Oh, let me tell you something. Tracey Boakye, I have your back. I have your back. Who wants to fight you? Let the person come to me. I got you. Nothing can happen to you. That's what I'm saying. And as for you, Diamond APPIAH, because you people are forming this your gang, this is your mafia gang in Ghana, and then one of you, which is a daughter of Zion, decided to leave the group and get married to somebody that she loves. You have been forming jealousy up and down, been saying all sorts of things. I have been hearing what you are saying. You even said that you went to the marriage and you said that you were complaining that there was not enough drink. How dare you? A party that myself, I was there. You say that there were no enough good drinks? How dare you say such a thing? I was there and I saw everything. There was no drinks that was good that was not there. All kind of good drinks. NSC was there. Domperion was there. What's the other one again? Moët was there. Name it. Even Pop Daddy wanted to bring Ciroc. He called me. He was saying, "Sir, let me bring my Ciroc. That's why you guys." I said, "No. It's okay. It's okay. It's enough. We have had too many drinks already." And then you were complaining that there was not enough drinks. Even Azu was there. I drank 2 bottles. I know people will say I've been drunk. No, it's not like that. I just drank one. I took one home. There was enough drinks. And the one that pains me more now, you were complaining that you were going around telling people that the marriage ring was fake. How dare you? Diamond my foot. That your name, we are going to change it. We are going to change it from there because you are not acting like Diamond at all. We are going to change to aluminium. Aluminium APPIAH. A for aluminium. German people will call it alu. A for alu. A for APPIAH. Alu APPIAH. That is your name now. Because you're not behaving like Diamond at all. How dare you? That marriage ring, I was personally there when they bought that diamond ring. Diamond. Thank God she has my daughter that is doing well now. Tracey has come out to show the people that it is real diamond, and she tested it. As you can see, are you not ashamed now? Just because you are jealous of somebody, you are going around saying all sorts of nonsense. I told you, your name is, we have changed your name already. Because that diamond does not fit you at all. Aluminium. Let me tell you. See, your problem cannot make me not to do what my daughter said. My daughter said I should be sleeping now 18 hours. I have slept 12 hours, so it's remaining 6 hours. Let me go and complete it. Alu. A for alu. Aluminium APPIAH. Rubbish. Just before I forget, those of you who are always recording your voice, your friends' voices when they are talking to you on phone, so that one day you will not use it against them. Let me tell you, the God I serve will punish you. Yes, I said it. If God refuses to punish you, maybe He's showing mercy. Thunder will strike you. Somebody will be talking to you on phone, you will be recording it so that in case maybe the person messes up one day, you will now come online and be disgracing them and tell the world what they have been discussing on phone with you. The recording my voice. If you record my voice when I talk to you, my friends, you know me. the God I serve is the actual God. If I pray to God, thunder from Sudan will strike you. Rubbish. Let me go and sleep.